Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. Firstly, you need to open Settings and tap on Display section. Now scroll down just a bit and choose Font Size. Lastly, click on the best option for you in order to set it up. Small, default, big or huge. I will go with default, so now when I click on it and go back, as you can see, the size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!